everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you, another unboxing, because I need to hurry up and unbox this nonsense because I need to use this today. This is the HP Instant Ink Never Run Out. I got this a while ago, but I only use it for a little bit. But I'm just like, I don't use that. Well, this is much better because you don't have to go out and buy ink. Let me just tell you about this. This is HP Instant Ink. Obviously, they basically you go online and you order this. You could go in the store and buy a prepaid card and put the number on, or you could use your card and buy it online. So I used my card and I bought this Never Run Out ink. You know, it goes by levels, like how much pages you want to print a month. Me, I just need to print out like. For now, I just need, because my mom has a printer, so like usually sometimes I could use hers, but right now I'm just like, I needed something. So they have different options online. They have a free option, and then you have an upgrade to like a couple hundred pages, and then you do another one where it's more pages and more pages. And if you, okay, for example, I got the free package. Basically, the free one is that you get free ink every month. You get to print out 15 pages a month for free. Awesome. So yeah, so what if you print more than 15 pages? Well, they have my card stored on there, so if I print more than 15 pages, they're gonna charge me like 10 cents a page extra, which is not that bad. But I'm not probably going to do that. So, but this is cool because if I need to print out something, a couple of pages, whatever, I could do it for free, 15 pages a month. I'm not sure. They probably do roll over, I think, but I'm not sure about the free one. But the paid one, your pages roll over. Let's say if you don't use 50 of them from that month, it rolls over to the next month. So that's cool. But yeah, like I said, I got the free one. You know, I don't print that many pages. Let me show you how this works. What I'm going to do is install this in my printer. You have to put in when you sign up what printer you have, and then they could go ahead and register that, and they could send you the ink based on your printer. You wait for this about a week, and then when you get it, all you do is your subscription starts once you put the ink in the cartridge, not when you get the box in the mail or when they send it out. Your subscription starts right when you put the cartridges in your printer. And when the ink runs out, they know, like, it's registered in there. So if it's going to run out, they're going to send you ink before it runs out. And then you send the old inks back to them in a specific packaging. The old, like, you know, discarded ink stuff. So let's open this. And like always, I never have scissors available. Like always. Isn't that annoying? I'm going to open it with a pen because that's what I'm going to do. And I can do that. So here we go. Comes in this HP box. Looks like a little snack box. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm ordering a munch pack. If you want to see that, it's going to come next week. I'm totally doing a video of that with my sons, my babies. So please look out for that video. But here, Instant Ink. Thank you for signing up. You'll never run out of ink. Yeah. So they give you a little thing like that, and here's the ink. That's it. These are the inks. One's black and one's color. I'm going to install that and show you the installing process, even though it's super easy. And then this, and that's it. This is the end of the box. I keep this box just in case, whatever. So this is the packaging that you put the old ink in, like your old cartridges. Sometimes they say to wait, like fill the envelope up and then send it. So prepaid envelope, then you can send the ink back. So that's cool. Everything is cool. Now I'm going to show you how I install the ink on my printer. Let's go. Alright guys, here's my dusty A printer. Please do not mind. I haven't dusted in a while. So I'm going to go ahead and move it out. Let's move this camera in a little bit. There we go. Alright, my printer is not on. Wait till it turns on for a second. Oh, look, it stays up by itself. Alright, so I'm going to open the packs. This says 4XL on here. You see that? On the package it says 4XL. 4XL. This is a huge ink cartridge. Look at this. Look. This is my ink. Tricolor. This is how big it is. Look at that. That's how big it is. Like, it's as big as my finger. That's, you know, long. Alright, so here we go. Let's zoom into that nonsense over there. Alright, so I'm going to put the color in first. We're going to take this tape off to expose that part. And then we're just going to go like that. That's it. See how easy that was? That was like, took like 20 seconds. So with the black, I'm going to take off the, oops, this one didn't come off well. So that, blah, 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 blah. There we go. What? Alright. Okay. This one's not as smooth as the other one. There we go. That's it. Now I'm gonna, now activates. Now it says checking ink cartridges. Your printer is now enrolled in HP Instant Ink. Your billing cycle will not start until you install your first HP ink cartridge to your printer. And yes, it's touchscreen. Ooh. Okay, thank you for installing. Don't forget to recycle your old cartridges. I understand. Okay. Load plain white paper to start the alignment. Okay. So it's going to print an alignment page. What that is that it's going to print out some, like, oops. It's going to print out some paper, and then you're going to scan it, and it's going to align your printer for you. Alright, the aligner page printed. So what it says, lift the lid and place this alignment paper face down to the right corner. Close the lid, press OK. Alright, so here, we're going to put it face down in the corner right, like that. Place the alignment page on there. Okay, I did that. And press OK. And it's going to do the alignment process. Alright, printer alignment successful. Cartridges are now calibrated for the best print quality. Recycle, discard, alignment page. You're done. That's it. Woo! So that was super easy. Everything went smooth. 1, 2, 3. That took like less than a minute. So after that, you put the ink in, it registers into the computer, and it basically says that, hey, your printer is on with the ink, and your subscription or whatever that you picked starts today, and you check it online. Obviously you make a login account and everything, and it has all these settings where you can look at your account, look at how many pages you print, what days you printed it on, and you could change your subscription. Let's say you started off at a higher subscription service, you could always change it to a lower one whenever you want. So that's cool. You could basically end the subscription whenever you want, and you just never run out of ink. You never have to go and get ink. You always have it. If you know how many pages you print a month, then this is great. Like, I highly suggest this, because I always hated running out of ink, and then I had to go to the store, and then all this nonsense when it could just be delivered to you right before you even run out. Right? Isn't that cool? So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to see more of me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!